Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make one of my favorite simple sauces to make, Mojo Rojo. This sauce originated in the Canary Islands and it's known for its bright, punchy flavors thanks to a blend of vinegar, red peppers, and spices. It comes together in just 5 minutes, so let me show you how to do it. So we're starting in a blender with some olive oil. I'm using about a 1/4 cup. And then we're going in with a few tablespoons of red wine vinegar. I find that red wine vinegar is really important in just complementing the flavors of the peppers, but you could also just use an apple cider vinegar or a white vinegar if that's all you have. Then we're going in with some kind of sweet red pepper. The easiest to find will probably be a red bell pepper, but if you have other varieties of sweet peppers that are red, go ahead and use those as well. Then I'm adding a chili pepper for some spice, 4 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of salt, and then half a teaspoon of cumin and half a teaspoon of paprika. And then I like to add a tiny splash of water just to help smooth the sauce out. And from there, it's as easy as just popping on the lid to your blender. Keep in mind, you could also do this using an immersion blender, or you could use a food processor if that's all you have. And then we're just going to blend this up until it is creamy and smooth. Once that's achieved, you can go ahead and taste it to see if you'd like to add anything else like salt or vinegar to kind of balance out the flavors as needed. And your sauce is all finished. Now, I've mostly had this sauce served with roasted potatoes, which is truly a match made in heaven, but it's also really great with chicken over fish. I recommend giving the sauce a try, and then the options are pretty much endless for where you could use it. But yeah, when all else fails, definitely go with a pan of roasted potatoes and you can thank me later. It's one of those sauce recipes I love to just keep in my back pocket for days when I don't have much time, but I still don't want to compromise on big flavors. If you give it a try, please let me know in the comments and I will see you next time.